everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I'm going to show you how to take these adorable little book boxes from the Dollar Tree and create a really simple yet cute secret hiding place or memory box from them. In this one I'm showing you, I took 3 and put them together, covered with felt on the inside, and made an adorable one. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is create two together to make one secret hiding place or memory box. You need 2 of the same size. They have different sizes at the Dollar Tree. They have the large, the medium, and the small. So what you're going to do is find 2 that you like and decide which one you want to be the top of your memory box. So just decide that, and then we will go on. What I decided to do was use the deer, and you have to cut the top off of the one that you are going to make the bottom of your memory box, and then cut the bottom off of the top. You'll see how we do that here in just a moment. What I use is a straight edge or one of these cutting edges or blades from the Dollar Tree, and you cut along the top seam of the box for the bottom. So just cut along that seam. It's very easy to cut, and it may take 1 or 2 times to go through the chipboard or bookboard that the box is made from. And now just bend down the paper from the seam or the binding of the book. The next one you will do is the top of your memory box, so you will cut the bottom out. I cut along the inside about 1/4 of an inch or so, not too close to the edge because it's easier to glue, and you will cover the inside with felt. So here you can see I've done that, and now I'm going to glue my books together. So I'm gluing my top to my new bottom to create my memory box. I'm using hot glue to do that, and you just want to make sure that you line them up properly so that they have a nice look to them. The other thing that I'd like to point out is if you did have a little seepage from the hot glue, make sure that you wipe that off. Now this comes out really adorable, and it really doesn't need any decoration at all, but you do need to cover the inside with felt. I chose red felt for this set of book boxes because the top of my cover was red. That's why I chose red for the felt. You can buy felt at Walmart or a craft store, anywhere. You may even have felt on hand. So what you will need to do is measure to see what size your felt needs to be for each of your sides. I did not, I'm showing you here, did not just throw the whole piece inside and then try to glue it. I measured each side individually, and then I cut it and applied tacky glue to the back all the way around the whole back of the felt, and then I put the felt in for each side individually. Once you have covered all of your sides, you want to make sure that you make sure your seams are good. You're not having any overlap. I did use the tacky glue. It is available at the Dollar Tree, and it allows you to have some movement instead of using hot glue, which is going to dry real quickly. This gives you some time to make sure it's all clear, all in place where you want it. Also, if glue gets on the inside and you want to, it will dry clear, but you can wipe it off also. Now, once you get all your sides done, you will put your bottom in and you're finished. It's really simple. You can embellish as much as you like, put a name on it, a year. You can put your Christmas trip memories in there, some pictures or tickets to the movies or whatever you did for Christmas. Or you can put secret things in there that you want to hide in a bookshelf or whatever. It's just a really fun thing to make, and it's easy and it doesn't cost you a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and you will come back and see what we do next time. So thank you for watching.